Osu keycaps? There's no fucking way! Is this real? Osu players have a bit of a reputation for Osu players have a bit of a reputation for clicking circles with clacky keys. Thanks to our collaboration with the Capco, your keyboard can finally dress the part. When Osu first released, rubber domes and scissor switches dominated the scene. Nearly 2 decades later, you'd be hard pressed to find an Osu player who doesn't use a mechanical keyboard. So it's about time we stepped up. First and foremost, this is a keycap set that comes with everything you need to fill a 100% size keyboard plus a bunch of extra swappable keys. Holy fuck! Dude! It actually looks good! What? Good Osu merch? It's only $80? You can get a fucking numpad set? Oh my god. Wait, this is insane. Fuck me, dude. If only this keyboard didn't use the shittier version of the 75% layout. Oh, dude, I'm so tilted now. I'll just build my own keyboard. I don't give a fuck. I'm just gonna take the keycaps. But yeah, the keycap sets will be available for pre-order. What do you mean that's the good version of the 75? Listen, there's only one good version of the 75, and that's the original, okay? Canon Keys Satisfaction 75. If it's not the Satisfaction 75, it's shit, okay? Do not talk to me, man. This is the best 75% layout. Anyone who says otherwise, dog shit, okay? This is the best 75%. What does 75% layout mean? It is a keyboard that is 75% of the size. Listen, it is the superior layout. Osu players need arrow keys. They need Afro keys. However, in this keyboard, because of the delete key being squeezed there for no goddamn reason, it shifts the F rows to the left. My muscle memory is fucked because of the squished F row. Get me a normal ass F row. Dude, I will die on this hill, man. You need the delete button? You can have the delete button. Just put it on these keys. Is it really that hard? Yeah, I bought a Keychron V6 and the knob squished the F row to the left. So hard to retain the muscle memory. That's what I'm saying. Drunk Deer literally has the same layout as the previous keyboard you were showing. Yes, I know, which is why it's shit. Who the fuck uses F keys in daily use? I do, because I play Osu. There's not a single soul in this fucking chat who doesn't mash the F2 button. Oh, fuck me, man. Wait, Drunk Deer has the same layout, but the F keys are not squished? Hello? I'm listening. God, dude. These switches actually... These keys actually look good. I actually can't believe it, dude. Finally. I can get rid of the fucking Osu socks. No hate, but God, dude. I hate them. Okay, that is hate. But like... Yeah, they are pre-orders. Fuck it. Minus $80. Actually, I could just buy the entire thing as like a business expense and like show it in the video. I'm pretty sure people would be interested in seeing the Osu keyboard. But it doesn't have rapid trigger. Oh, that's annoying. What kind of a keyboard is this? Keyboard Zooya LMK81 mechanical keyboard white. Gateron G Pro yellow 2.0 switches. Connection mode tri-mode. Type C Bluetooth or 2.4. Layout 75%. Backlit RGB. Oh, hello. Durian, were you fucking streaming while you were talking in my chat? I'm sick and tired of your shit, bro. Chat, I will say, there's one thing that I'm very skeptical. I'm not sure if skeptical is the what's called the right word. I'm very hopeful. I'm hoping that the printing is actually good. Because I'm pretty sure these are all just renders. I've had personal experiences of like ordering keycaps and like the actual products look extremely different from what's in the images. So I hope they are. Wait, check the video. Am I dumb? Keen eyes may have noticed that we placed the Z and the X, Osu's default input keys, with some fancy designs. Obviously, not every circle clicker uses ZX, so we included special keys for 3 different rows, so you can easily swap to match your favorite binds. See it in act. Yo! I was going to say that keyboard is crusty, but I'm not. I'm literally in no place to talk. Yo, whose live play is this? There's no way Peppy is this good. It has to be Smoogie. Wait, I just realized, are they changing their keybinds mid-map? Chat, there's no way that's Pishy. Although the editing does look like Pishy's. Is that Pishy? Oh my fucking god. It's possible to please both sides of light mode versus dark mode debates. Actually, never mind. We included escape for keys for both, designed by Tanza 3D. Sometimes circle clickers aren't actually circle clickers, so we included an alternative Osumania spacebar. Yeah, but it's okay. Taiko players don't exist. Neither do CTV. If you don't have a compatible keyboard, the Capco also offers the keycap sets as proper keyboards too. Specifically, you can pick up this perfectly sized 75% keyboard highlighting Samu's drawing of PP. But if that's too much dedication, it's stealthy with a slick numpad. And of course, both of these come with the full keycap sets too. They're giving away 10 sets of keys for free, so they're doing a joint giveaway. Reply to this tweet with a pic of the keys that you currently slam while playing Osu. The more worn down, the better. Unlucky. This is hype as fuck, bro. I'm not gonna lie, dude. I'm actually so happy, dude. I've been wanting to rep Osu merch for the longest goddamn time. But they just never have any good merch. The only thing that is unironically good are the buttons and some of the stickers. That's it. Put the OWC socks on? No. I refuse to do it. Here's the thing. I'm a simple man. I buy one type of sock, and I buy 20 of them. Alright? 20 pairs. I never have to match socks ever. I will never wear any other socks other than the socks from Uniqlo, specifically the low-cut white versions. If Osu had white socks, maybe I would buy them. But no, they're like black, pink, and gray. Chat, I will say I do think Osu has a branding issue though. Because like, I don't know anyone who unironically is actually passionate about Pippi as a mascot. I feel like people use Pippi as a mascot just because there's no other option. But like, dude, can we please just slap Peppy's face on something? Who's Pippi? Pippi is this girl. I'm never buying this shit because of Pippi in specific. Remove the girl and I'm down. Chat, that's the exact reason why we've never introduced an anime mascot for the round table. I just don't think an anime mascot would fit. That's the thing. I'm sure we'll have like, there will be like anime related like stuff made, especially as we go down like the route of more custom bespoke songs and then like trying to create a lore with them. But like in terms of like the round table, there's no way we're gonna have like one single character represented. Any luck with off-brand for round table stuff? Not to announce. But we're in talks. Also 2024 is off the table. There's just no way. I love logo-based merch way more because you can actually use it publicly. Facts. Alright, chat. $160 for a keypad? Chat, I think it's time to release the round table keyboard or keypad. Oh, it comes with a full set of keycaps. That's true. So that's 80, 90, 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. $80 for a keypad? Fuck it. I have a 0% APR card. Wait, each one of these come with a keycap set. Fuck, if I buy all three, I'm gonna get 3 sets of... I'll figure out something to do with them.